Introducing the Google Pixel Fold, the only foldable engineered by Google. Sleek, beautiful, and ultra premium. It turns ordinary moments into extraordinary photographs. With a triple rear camera, 5x telephoto lens, and 20x super res zoom, so you get photos that are detailed and true to life. What previously required a DSLR and a tripod comes standard on the Pixel Fold, letting you capture the stars with astrophotography. Erase things you don't want in your photos with just a tap, or by circling them out with Magic Eraser. Frame the perfect shot on the Pixel Fold's more powerful rear selfie camera. All those screens also help you get more done. Meet with a colleague over here, while you work on a deck together just over there. And as the very thinnest foldable, it fits snug in your pocket, with a form factor that sits up for optimal video viewing. Or lay it flat for a screen that goes on and on, seamlessly of course. Pixel Fold doesn't just look good. It's powered by an adaptive battery that learns the apps you use and sends power where you need, up to 72 hours with extreme battery saver. From wherever you find yourself, like here. With Live Translate in dual screen interpreter mode, the person you're talking to sees your words translated on one side of the screen. You see their words translated on the other, in real time. With a certified Titan M2 chip and features like VPN by Google One, your data is safe and secure. And with IPX8 and Gorilla Glass Victus, it's scratch-resistant and can take a splash. It's the only foldable that does all that. Google Pixel Fold, the only foldable engineered by Google.